Throughout July, Shangri-La is in a relentless rainy season. Following rainfalls, the woodland would be carpeted by varied wild fungi overnight. The most prominent of them turns out to have the lowest profile, since it's not easy to spot them. Hidden in the soils beneath towering trees, they lurk silently, waiting for a chance to break through the soil. In Shangri-La, Jidi is a typical village. Ringed by verdant mountains, the village is an eco-friendly homeland. At an average altitude of 3,300 meters above sea level, even in the height of summer, the village still glories in blossoming rapeseed flowers. From August to September, villagers in Jidi have their busiest time of the year as the famed fungus called matsutake peeps out of the ground. Matsutake is a rare and precious edible fungus, often dubbed the king of fungi. Its high prices are a result of scarcity and how it's impossible to cultivate artificially. Matsutake is hidden beneath the soil, topped by fallen leaves and grasses. Even the villagers who are familiar with the woodland find it hard to spot them. Matsutake hunting requires good luck and serendipity. The gathering of Matsutake calls for delicate fingerwork. The pickers have to use twigs to loosen the base of the fungus. Once the prize is lifted out, it is imperative to cover up the hole so that the hyphae can remain intact. The pickers have to be extremely meticulous, aiming to offer this old nest good protection. Thus, there might be new fungus springing up in the coming year. In terms of living conditions, Matsutake is very exacting. They primarily grow at an altitude above 3,500 meters. In the primitive forest free of pollutants, these fungi grow beneath pines and oaks. But the trees have to be over 50 years old in order to host the Matsutake. Matsutake spores have to join the tree's roots in a symbiotic relationship so as to produce hyphae. The multiplying hyphae will generate roots. In due time, the roots will produce more Matsutake. Before peeping out of the soil, the Matsutake must have sufficient rainwater and ample sunlight. Temperature fluctuations, insect intrusions, and human interference can hamper its growth. Shangri-La is a major source of Matsutake. The mountains are pristine and have never been disrupted by human activities. This is essential to sustain the growth of Matsutake year after year. Matsutake is what Mother Nature has offered to this well-preserved land. The people here have repaid nature for this bountiful gift. They have followed the rules and traditions in revering and caring for nature.